ओ, दिल की जान से निकलता है ये धुआं कहाँ से उठता है.
Well, I'm so happy that I'm part of this event and I met legend people like you all, and so nice to know all these parts of yours. So now let us talk about cricket, for which we all gathered here. So, sir, I want to know that why you loved cricket, why you chose cricket. I know it's a crime to ask any Indian about it, but still it is a really important thing to know that what do you think cricket is all about for Indians?
Well, I think the cricket is all about religion. For all Indian cricket lovers. And first of all, here for this gathering, I would like to congratulate to the winning team in the tournament. My biggest and highest the regards and congratulations to Dr. Khanna Saab and his team for arranging such a beautiful tournament for last couple of years. And I hope and pray to God that you grow more and more, you get more teams, more better players, more competitiveness in the game. And as you know, today, as you just asked me about it, the Indian cricket is doing extremely well in last 15 years. But ranking wise, though we are a little down at the moment in a very recent times, but personally I feel IPL is a part of a little bit of a spoiled spot in the game of cricket in a longer version, because IPL is all about 2020. It's all about entertainment. It's all about money making machine. Good. It's good for the players. It's good for advertisers. It's great for BCCI. It's all great things. But in the bargain, playing 2020 game, it is the discipline is missing somewhere along the line. Like the staying power when it comes to test cricket, you need to have a lot of discipline. Staying power, hunger for runs. Like once the player gets 40, 50, or 60s, and the kind of shots they play, reverse sweep and all kind of things they get out, and that is missing in Test cricket. You guys must have seen in last couple of series. The Test matches are getting over in 2.5 days or 3 days or 3.5 days. No Test match goes on till 5 days. So somewhere along the line, we are missing a great players like Sunil Gavaskar, for staying staying on the wicket, getting more and more runs. Those wickets have a price tag. Like Rahul Dravid or Cheteshwar Pujara. There are quite a few others whose wicket is a prize wicket. For opponents. So those are the things are missing, and very tough series coming up very soon. From 22nd November against Australia. Those 5 test matches is going to be a very tough task. Tough asking to win. If we win 4 out of 5, that is the only chance for us to qualify for the World Championship against the second best team. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Indian cricket is at the very highest level, growing up very, very well, done very well. But recently we have a great new talent in India, particularly like Yashasvi Jaiswal and Subnam Gill and quite a few more. But they've got to have a discipline like Rahul Dravid or Gavaskar to stay on the wicket more and get more runs. And unless we put up a big score on the board, India will always struggle. See, especially in Australia, it's hard to get runs. but it's easy to get wickets, Australian wickets. So our batsmen have a very, very tough task, very, challenging ask. So, and then 5 Test series is a long series. But I think, I hope do well. I mean, everybody prays, that India does well. And once again, my heartiest, congratulations to all the teams who have participated in Dr. Saab's teams tournament, and you've done it, so successfully. Best wishes to all of you, and congratulations once again to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.